Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Honda Insight versus Honda Accord. We'll explore their key differences and help you decide which one best fits your lifestyle. First, let's look at their fundamental design and purpose. The Insight prioritizes exceptional fuel economy, while the Accord offers a more traditional, spacious sedan experience. Understanding these core distinctions is crucial for your decision. When it comes to performance and efficiency, these two Hondas diverge significantly. The Insight, as a dedicated hybrid, consistently delivers outstanding fuel economy, often exceeding 50 miles per gallon. The Accord, while still efficient for its class, offers a broader range of engine options, including powerful turbocharged gasoline engines and a very capable hybrid variant. Your daily commute and driving style will heavily influence which option is better. Moving inside, the Accord generally offers a more expansive interior, providing extra legroom and a larger trunk, typically around 16.7 cubic feet. The Insight, while smaller, still boasts a very comfortable and thoughtfully designed cabin, with about 15 cubic feet of trunk space. Both vehicles come equipped with Honda Sensing safety suites and user-friendly infotainment, ensuring a safe and connected driving experience for everyone. Finally, let's consider value and your ultimate decision. The Insight often comes with a more accessible starting price, appealing to budget-conscious buyers prioritizing fuel savings. The Accord, with its wider array of trims and engine options, spans a broader price spectrum, offering more luxury and performance choices. Your lifestyle, budget, and space requirements are key. Check the description for a link to those fantastic meal prep containers, as well as other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.